Hi guys, welcome back. One last thing that I would like to create in my game is actually to create a variable where I will store my score. So I will go to the data category and I will click to make a variable. I will name it score for all sprites and I will click OK. So each time that each brick is being hit, then I have to change my score by 1. So I will broadcast hit and I will change score by 1. This is something that I have to do in all my sprites. Change score by 1. Sprite 3, change score by 1. Sprite 4, change score by 1. Sprite 5, change score by 1. Sprite 6, change score by 1. Sprite 7, change score by 1. Sprite 8, change score by 1. Sprite 9, after being hit, change score by 1. And Sprite 10, the same. Very nice. Whoop. Let's try again. Score 1. Score 2. Very nice. Perfect. Nice. But as I see, each time that I start the game with my flag, the score continues from my last game. So I would like that each time I start this game, I will go to ball and I will set it to set score to 0. So each time I start the game, my score is to 0, goes to 1. Very nice. But if I stop it and start again, then it goes again to 0. Perfect. Very nice. One last thing is I would like to create a new sprite and I will write a big game over. You can choose whatever color you want. Very nice. You can even change the font here to something more mysterious or more gamey. Very nice. I will name this sprite game over. I will go back and you see this here. I will go to script. I would like when it is clicked, actually I would like to make it a little bit bigger. It's a little bit difficult because I cannot touch it very easily, but I managed to do it. So I would like when the flag is clicked, I would like to be hidden, and only if the ball touches my deadline. So if the ball touches the deadline, I would like to show this game over. So I will send a message, broadcast a new message that I will call it game over, and then I will go to game over sprite and say when game over, when I receive game over, then I would like to be shown. So let's write game over up, it's hidden. Very nice. Ten score, game over. Very nice. In the same way, I can create a new sprite, or maybe I will delete this sprite and I will make it easier. I will duplicate this and then no. I will erase it actually. And I will write you won. You are a great player. And I will place it right there. When clicked hide, when received game won, it will be shown. But the real question is that when the game is won, I have 10 bricks, so when the score is 10, I think that I won the game. So I will go back to my bricks and I will say change score by 1, but then I would like to check if score is above 1. So if score is actually 10, so if score is 10, then I would like to send a message. I will go to events category and broadcast a new message called game won. Exactly. So it is something that I have to duplicate it in every sprite. I can drag and drop it in every brick. Okay, I will take it from there and I also send it to sprite 3. So if score is 10, the game is over, but I won the game. Very nice. So let's write to go to game. I will change it to game 1, and then I will say that when I receive game 1, I would like to be shown, and I would like to stop everything because the game is over. So stop everything. Let's try it and play this awesome game. I see the paddle, the ball, the scores. The score goes to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. I think I'm a great player actually, although the ball is not very fast. Well, I have to, oops. So let's write to hit the brick, 1 more. Great. So this is it. Thank you very much.